specification for a 10.25-inch latest EVO FIT touchscreen on a BMW 3 Series. This is a F30 model. As you can see, this is the latest G20 style screen. So it has the side borders like the new 3 Series. It sits beautifully flush into the existing frame. So there are no gaps whatsoever. This is with the iDrive 7 user interface that we have set. This has a touchscreen operation, as well as using the iDrive controller we can control the screen functions. We have access to the all old features, so basically we can just hit on my car and it pulls up the old menus. So the existing BMW menus have full access from the 6.5-inch screen. One important thing to note is that for all the sounds to play, the system must be engaged in aux. So because it works internally through aux, when we touch the screen, it comes back to the iDrive user interface. We've got apps which we have installed over here. It has some bunch of shortcuts also to here. This has 8 GB of RAM with 64 GB of storage, along with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor. Really fast performance and speed. This has the vehicle info dashboard also. So basically, if we just give throttle out here, it just shows the same thing out there, along with speed, RPM, how many kilometers it's run, whether we've engaged the handbrake or not, or the seat belt is engaged or not. All of that shows here. Even if we open one of the doors, it basically shows right here. When we get out of this page and say if we open the door, then on the home page itself it shows that one of the doors are open, bonnet or dicky. All of that is integrated through the existing BMW Canvas system. This also shows how much of fuel is left in the car and what's the temperature and stuff. This has inbuilt video player. So excellent crystal clear video clarity. The existing steering controls continue to work as it is. So you can increase and decrease the volume. Let's pause this. We have lossless music format support too. So we can put in a pen drive and the pen drive will show up out here. You can browse through the music and play something. We can also hit the home page so the music continues to play. If you press back, then it stops playing the music. So that's a little feature. You can also operate everything using the iDrive controller. We have inbuilt wireless Carplay in this, so you can go to Z-Link, and an iPhone is wirelessly connected already to this system. If you hit car, it just comes out of that menu. Hit Z-Link, it goes back to Apple CarPlay. Smooth, fast performance, excellent screen quality. Alright, so here we have Apple Maps, so we could search for destination, like maybe a petrol bunk nearby, and then go navigating. If we use the split screen option, it shows the navigation on one side and control the music on the other. You can open up this and en route. You can also launch Google Maps. So you can search and you can go to one of our recent searches, and that's it. Navigation for Google Maps. So similarly, we can use that too on the split screen option. Exit the navigation, go back. So that's Google Maps view. You got your music control, like there is Spotify already installed in the system. All of the apps which are compatible with Apple CarPlay will show here. Amazon Music, YouTube Music, all of that is there. And we can hit the car logo on the icon menu and it just comes out of that. We can also launch this from the app tray and hit home here and it just does the same thing. Now I'll show you the inbuilt navigation in this system. So if I hit the navigation, it just pulls up Google Maps. I'll show you the speed of this system. I'll close all the apps, hit navigation, and there we are. Blinding fast speed compared to any of the Android systems that you can get in the market. Just pick up a random destination. I just put in, hit start.
Head west, then turn right.
This system has one additional feature which you will not see on most of the Androids. So basically, you can go here, you can probably launch Spotify, and so we can just go to pick up an app like Spotify, put it on one side, and maximize navigation on the other. So basically, you can play music on one side and have the GPS navigation on the other. And if we want to disable this, we could just do this and it becomes the full screen mode again. So long press and drag and maximize on the other side. So you've got split screen option too. Alright, so close this. We've got setup over here, which basically lets us choose the navigation app by default. So we could choose something other than Google Maps. Then we've got camera to choose whether it's going to be original reverse camera or aftermarket reverse camera. In this case, we have put an aftermarket reverse camera. So we just put in reverse gear. You can see the view at the back. You can also see the edge of the bumper, so you can go really park close to things. And now we just turn the steering, and the adaptive guidelines adjust according to the steering position. We disconnect and it just comes back here. I will show you the camera which we've installed. So basically, this is a car specific reverse camera. So here is the camera, which is pretty much bolt on. So it replaces the existing dicky button and it's an integrated camera within that. This is what comes standard on the 530D. Same type camera, HD. If you'd like to learn more about this system, get in touch with us directly or go to evoretrofits.in. I hope you like this system and I hope you have a nice day.